Colton. Colton. Good boy. Good boy. Colton, you a big boy.
I need Scooby.
What happened to our apartment?
Right. Let's just.
Ah,
Charlie, are you all right?
what you doing, Colton?
Something wrong.
Colton.
Guys,
Colton.
Have you been reading a scary novel?
no, we haven't been reading a novel.
Peekaboo.
It's all about a baker in the 1700s.
Colton.
Peasants.
Peekaboo.
That book.
It's a charming.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
I'll see you this evening.
What's the matter?
You really seem out of sorts today.
Yeah. I just gotta go brush my teeth.
Max!
Nobody knows. You're getting bigger, little bear.
I am. Look.
Where are you going?
I'm going to find Frost.
I think he wants some popcorn too.
Mother Bear. I'm looking for Frost. Have you seen him?
Max. Ooh, but I can feel him.
You can? Max
Yes.
won't eat it.
There's a chill in the air.
Max won't eat
No,
it.
don't give any to
Your fur is-
don't give any to Colton.
Father Bear says I'm getting bigger too.
You're growing, all right.
Where are you, Frost? Look.
No, thank you, Father Bear. I'm big enough to do it myself.
No.
Colton,
I'm cold.
what you doing? What you doing?
Lunchtime. Mother Bear's making hot soup.
Did you say hot
Are you going to stand up?
Delicious.
Stand up.
Everyone